guys, Martha here. I want to welcome you to my channel today. I hope everybody's having a great Sunday. It is a beautiful day here in Florida. I hope it is also where you are. I wish it was a little bit cooler, but it's still beautiful nonetheless. And I'm taking you in my kitchen today. I'm gonna make a big pot of vegetable soup, and it's my own recipe. And it's a delicious soup. I've made it a few times before and my family really enjoys it. We're going to be adding a whole eggplant into the soup, a whole bag of coleslaw mix, the ones that you buy to make coleslaw that are already all cut up, and it has a little bit of carrot and lots of cabbage and some red cabbage. We're going to add a whole bag of that. We're going to be adding some stewed tomatoes, some corn, lots of green peppers and onions, lots of spices and olive oil, and it's a really delicious. Oh, and I'm adding pumpkin. You can add potatoes instead of pumpkin, but I opted for the lower carb option, and I do like the little sweetness that the pumpkin gives to the soup, so that's up to you, whatever you like better. But it's really a delicious combination of the eggplant, which sort of disappears into the soup. It just gives it like a thickness and a heartiness to the soup, but you can still taste it, but you cannot see the pieces of eggplant in it. You will see. I think if you try it, you're going to love it, especially for you guys that live in the real cold weather. You just have a nice bowl of that soup with a little bit of rice or a nice piece of bread, and that's really all you need. So I just want to say thank you for watching my videos, and to my new subscribers, welcome. And I hope that you will continue watching and that you will share with your family and friends. I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Let's go into my kitchen now and start cooking this delicious soup. Bye. See you soon. Okay, you guys, and I wanted to show you that I have cut up already all my green peppers and onions, and I have them in the pot ready to go. And so I'm also going to show you the rest of the ingredients. We're going to be using a bag of coleslaw, some minced garlic. I have 3 containers of vegetable broth, a piece of pumpkin, olive oil, a large can of diced tomatoes, and an eggplant. The green onions are optional. Oh, and the complete seasoning. Now I'm chopping up the eggplant into really small pieces. I want them to be really small so that they can just dissolve into the soup. Now I'm sauteing the green peppers and onions in some olive oil, and I'm going to be adding plenty of the complete seasoning. You can add as much or as little as you like. I like my soup to have a lot of flavor, so I will be adding more and more of the complete seasoning as I go. Here I've already added the eggplant, and I'm mixing it up with the green peppers and onions and the spices. Make sure you give that a real good stir. Here I've added the bag of the coleslaw, and we're gonna make sure we mix it really well with all the other ingredients, the eggplant and the spices and the onions and peppers and the olive oil, and just let all the flavors blend in together. Okay guys, so right here I've added the large can of the diced tomatoes and 2 cans of corn. I added 2 cans of corn, and I'm gonna be adding the 3 containers of the vegetable broth. Now in go the pumpkin or the potatoes or both, whatever it is you decide to add into your soup. And we're gonna go ahead, add all the pumpkin, and we're gonna let it cook like for a good half hour. And all the spices and all the flavors, and the soup will thicken, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's starting to simmer. It smells so good, you guys. It smells divine. I've served myself a little plate so I could taste it for you. I can't wait. Okay, you guys, the soup is done, and I have served myself some, and I'm gonna taste it for you. I added a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top of mine, and also I put a little bit of rice in it. Let's see. It's delicious, you guys. It is so hearty, and the vegetables and spices and the eggplant has made the soup thick. It's just like I said, it just disappears into the soup, but you do taste it, and it is really delicious. I am gonna enjoy this plate of soup right now, and I hope that you will try it and that you'll let me know if you do, if you like it. Thanks again. Bye.